Now, this comes as the Ministry of Education announces that all children under the age of 6 will be required to wear face masks to school when they reopen. Magoha says the weight of this responsibility now lies with the parents.
Our children who are below 60 years should be wearing masks. And we want to get direction from the World Health Organization because, frankly, every child back in school must wear a mask. So the government is thinking of producing 2 masks which are washable per child. Do you get the point? But those of you who can afford to buy more masks for your children or grandchildren will do if you love them. Don't start making noise when they are not there. The government shall ensure that those schools have water tanks. But you have had me encouraging the MPs to do the same. If they do the same, then it releases the money that the government has to help us to ensure that each school has sanitizers. If there's any school that doesn't have enough toilets, it gives us the opportunity to divert that money to improving the toilets. Let's work together on this issue. It's not a question of government doing and we sitting. Examination dates and the new timetabling, we will come back to you. We are not going to say this is the way it's going to happen because it has to be suitable for everybody. These are not normal times. No. And if we decide, if you say, for example, if you all say that schools can't open on 1st of September, as a messenger, I will go and do what?
Give the report back.
I'll give the report back to the owner of the process and tell him, Your Excellency,